So what's going on, everyone? There's some very good indicators for Shiba Inu right now. Internet computers, SafeMoon and Shiba Inu are the altcoins with high social media interest today. And it seems like Shiba Inu has been dominating. It's getting more popular than Bitcoin. And no, this is not a lie. Be sure to like the video and I'll be explaining how. It's actually the most viewed coin, more than Bitcoin right now. That's how popular it is. But Shiba Inu, SHIB is a styled and so-called Doji coin killer. And a striking difference between rallies that fueled both Doge and SHIB is the crowd that supports each coin. SHIB supported by Chinese social media influencers on platforms such as Weibo and WeChat, while Doge finds backers Twitter. And we cannot even see that, but it seems like people are actually supporting from China Shiba Inu. So we can see here that the rally is going to be much different, but there's a lot of strong support from China as well for Shiba Inu. We could be seeing, these are the three big coins. So obviously we're not focusing on SafeMoon, we're not focusing on Internet Computer, but if you think we do not have any supporters, we actually do, and they're from China if you did not know. Now SHIB, cryptocurrency, they self-listed a Doge killer, which is not anymore, and it's up. And what we can see, SHIB is getting love from Chinese investors who are aware of the project's lack of technological promise. The coin is likely to be referred as bad coin by Chinese traders, and that's definitely not true. Now this is outdated because it's actually getting updates. SHIB's price performance over the weekend clearly shows that the crypto industry hasn't had its fill of Canon 3 meme coins yet, said Rick Delaney, a senior analyst at OKX. And the appreciation is SHIB fueled by Chinese social media influencers on platforms such as Weibo and WeChat. And just like Doge has a high profile support in Tesla Inc., CEO Elon Musk, SHIB has $1 billionaire venture capitalist Chirag Quinn, I hope I spelled that correctly, but also known as Xue Manzi, and he's reportedly SHIB on social media accounts and tracked its price movement on Huobi, according to CoinDesk. And Doge has gained popular attention. Seems like Shiba Inu is on the rise from China, and Chinese people actually do love Shiba Inu so far. We support China so far, and that's really exciting to see that we do actually gather. We're here and we can see so many things right now going on for SHIB. SHIB has meanwhile listed on 3 most popular exchanges with Chinese users: Binance, Huobi, and OKX. So they're obviously, even during the crackdown, they're still buying Shiba Inu, and that's the massive influx of holders, which I'll be showing later on. But it seems like we're getting the most holders unlike any other cryptocurrency right now. We can see that people actually have big plans, my Shiba swap strategy, on how to get rich. So the price is going to be going up because there's going to be less SHIB in circulation, there's going to be less BONE in circulation. So what this guy is going to do, and this guy's a freaking mastermind, he's going to be staking SHIB, and you're going to be earning Ethereum, you're going to be earning SHIB, you're going to be earning BONE, right? And then he's going to be staking SHIB, staking BONE, and he's going to be buying more SHIB with the Ethereum he has. He's going to be staking again, and he's going to be growing his share, and there's going to be less BONE in circulation, there's going to be less SHIB in circulation, and that's the price of basically staking. Now you gotta have a lot of money to actually earn a lot, but that's a lot. So people are not actually going to provide liquidity, but just going to be staking, and there's going to be having a lot of things. So people who are staking are massively going to be driving the prices up by lowering the supply, and people cannot buy the coins, and no one can list them anymore. But SHIB coin might spike again, but should you invest? And you can see obviously why the SHIB spike, and should you hold on SHIB? May there be many reasons to hold off on Shiba coin right now. Cryptocurrency is down altogether. Crypto in general is in a slump, and particularly Ethereum-based token like Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. And a trend changes and cryptocurrency spikes back up, the Shiba Inu will be lifted by the tide, according to a report from GoBankingRates.com. So Shiba Inu, after the big wave of basically what we're seeing right now, big drops, is going to see a big increase. But some experts might say that Shiba Inu could see a price increase, but it's just easy to find experts who predict on the coin at the moment. And what we can see here here is, considering that SHIB is more watched than Bitcoin and CoinMarketCap, the answer is obvious. Yes, and is Shiba Inu the cryptocurrency you should be watching? And this is posted by Shib Informer, who quit his full-time job to actually provide news for Shiba Inu right now. And it's very obvious that we can see with the eToro listing happening, you know, we'll see how enthusiastic the community is. There's lots to do before we can add assets, and it can take a while, but they're definitely gonna be adding it so far. We're seeing charities, we're seeing so many updates for Shiba Inu. I definitely do think it's just the start, and you guys want to be watching out for some scammers. There's an imposter called Shib Informers in Telegram, probably looking for victims on Serdek channel. Beware, she will promise you to join a special pool. The special pool, of course, is the scammer's pocket, and we can see in the future is the Shiba Inu coin cryptocurrency you should be watching. And what we saw so far, like all crypto, it's complicated and highly volatile, and I think a volatile is a good thing, because if it drops to a low price, that's when you can get it for really low. That's a single trade drop of 50% based purely on investor emotion. And what we can see after Nation, he has the price drop, but after Coinbase listing, the price went up as well. And that's the whole crypto, and crypto in general is in a slump right now, particularly Ethereum based tokens. And Shiba Inu is due for an 80% price increase, and maybe it is. That's what FX Street predicted. I want to see that. I really do want to see that 80% price increase would be super exciting. It's easy to find experts, however, and on May 9th, Shiba soared all-time high, and I definitely think it can beat its all-time high. It immediately crashed down to earth, and less than 10 days later, the number had an extra zero in it, and it does to this day. But one thing we're seeing, double-digit crypto gains and trading volume. So Shiba Inu is having such a big trading volume that the price is going to be increasing statistically and both mathematically proven. So unusually high trading volumes can be an indication that the crypto asset price is on the rise. And while the crypto markets are clearly led by swing of Bitcoin, and if Bitcoin grows, actually Shiba Inu grows as well. So I think this is a pretty good thing. It obviously tells you that there's a lot of potential for this. But compared to the gains fest for the first few months of 2021, June has been a rather bleak time for crypto investors. So yeah, June definitely was not exciting, but we finally got off June. We got into July, and now we could be seeing either big drops because of the sell-offs, or we could be seeing a positive day finally. I think, and as I said, September is going to be actually the month that we're going to be seeing the big things. But 5 of the assets that are recording the greatest increase in daily volume compared with previous months were among the biggest winners, securing double-digit dominance over both Bitcoin and the dollar. And that's one of them is actually Shiba Inu so far. Seems like the more trades that are happening, so these are, you know, getting traded a lot. So here, you know, they have an unusual trading volume, and they're growing up in prices. They're 277% higher than normal. Shiba Inu obviously going up there as well, but you can see that they have done their research. But Shiba Inu having 1 billion traded is just simply insane. And right now we're seeing, you know, as the time this video is out, the price is down, but that's not a bad thing. What we're seeing is we're getting more holders than ever for Shiba Inu. Simply put, we're going to be having 600,000, then probably by the end of the year, 1 million. And by this point, having 1 million holders is going to seriously increase the community so far. Do drop a like, as we have a lot more updates, but just wanted to spread the good news for today, and see you next time. Be sure to check out my other videos.